Hey traders, in the previous video we had talked about the bond market and one of two patterns possibly emerging today. So if you didn't catch Thursday's free video, check it out. This is going to be a follow-up. All right. So what we now have is the beginning of a potential minor low. This was one of the two scenarios we had discussed, and it was either going to be an inside day possibility or a minor low. So it looks like it's going to be potentially the minor low. Now remember, the idea is that we hold this +1 standard deviation, and we did. And then now it's getting this lower low, right? Now surrounded by two higher lows. And if we can get that snap up on Monday, this will be the third candle of what's known as a minor low pattern. Now there's a couple ways we can measure this, play this, set this up. The best way to set this up with the ideal risk control is to day trade a breach of this resistance level right here, or even the August point of control right there. So that would be on Monday, go down to a 1 minute time frame, look at the high we have here today. So let's call this 175.10, and let's call this area, that's going to be about 175.25. So on Monday, we'll look for a 1 minute setup that takes us up through that level, ideally with some momentum and some volume confirming it. So ideally breaking through an intraday volume profile, ideally even breaking higher through the mean of the V-score. Now that mean of the V-score, if we were to break higher through this level right here, so break through this resistance right in there, that actually would be a pretty significant move, and that's going to take us through right about here. It's going to actually line up with that 174.25 level pretty darn well. So what do I do when I get a minor low on a daily time frame? The best thing to do would actually be to shorten the time frame because of the size of the minor low and day trade it to the upside if that criteria is met. So that's what I'll be looking for on Monday for the ZB for a breakout and sending this market higher through the setup that we're going to see on that minor low pattern. All right, gang, I'll see you in the next update.